Hello everyone, welcome back to Shabest online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to integrate this function with respect to x. And the given function is what? 1 over x squared plus 1. So we are going to integrate this function with respect to x. The first thing we're going to do is to let x to be equal to tan u. So now we're going to differentiate both sides with respect to u. And the derivative of x with respect to u is the same as what? Dx over du, which is equal to derivative of tan u with respect to u is going to give us what? Sec square u. So the next thing is to make the x the subject of the formula. So we cross multiply. The x now be equal to sec square u, then multiply by du when we cross multiply. So now the next thing is to replace it back to our equation. Anywhere we see dx, we replace as sec square u du, and anywhere we see x, we replace as tan u. This is going to be equal to integral of 1 over x squared plus 1. And we say anywhere we see x, we replace as tan u. And remember, this x here is square. So this is going to be what? Tan square u, then plus 1. Plus 1, then multiply by dx, and we say dx is sec square u du. So this is going to be what? Sec square u du in place of dx. And recall from what? Trigonometry identity. When we have tan square x plus 1, this is the same as what? Sec square x. So this is the same as this from trigonometry identity. So from this function, anywhere we see tan square u plus 1 is the same as what? Sec square u. So this is going to give us what? Integral of 1 over, in place of tan square u plus 1, we're going to replace sec square u. So this is going to be what? Sec square u, then multiply by sec square u from the function sec square u, then du. So that this sec square u is dividing this sec square u. So this is going to cancel this. We are left with what? Integral of, this place will remain only 1, then du. So now we are going to integrate 1 with respect to u. So this is going to be equal to what? Integration of 1 with respect to u is the same as u, then plus integration constant. But what is our u? Remember, we let x to be tan u. So we're going to look for the value of u from this equation. Remember, we let x to be equal to tan u. Now, to get the value of u, we divide both sides by tan, also by tan. So that this tan will cancel this tan. U now will be equal to x over tan. And x over tan is the same as 1 over tan, then multiply by x. So this is going to be equal to what? Tan inverse. When we take this up, it's going to be what? Tan raised to the power of minus 1, which is tan inverse, then multiply by x. So our u is tan inverse multiplied by x. Then we replace it back to this place. So this is going to be equal to u is the same as what? Tan inverse of x, then plus integration constant. So this is the integration of this function with respect to x. Thank you for watching, and please follow and subscribe for more.